Imagine waking up every day with less stress, more clarity, and a deeper sense of purpose. This is how you simplify your life for true happiness in 2025. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and lose sight of what truly matters. We are constantly bombarded with messages telling us we need to be more, do more, and have more. But in the pursuit of success and happiness, many of us end up feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and unfulfilled. As we dive into 2025, it's clear that the traditional recipe for happiness is more money, more stuff, and more social media followers. Just isn't cutting it. In fact, many of us are starting to realize that the key to true happiness lies not in accumulation, but in simplification. So what does it mean to simplify our lives? And how can we do it in a way that leads to lasting happiness? That is what we are going to explore in this video. Today, we are on a mission to uncover the practical ways to simplify our lives and enhance our happiness. We dive into the strategies and lifestyle changes that can help us break free from the cycle of stress and overwhelm and find a sense of peace and fulfillment that we have been missing. Over the next few minutes, we explore the ways in which simplifying our lives can lead to a happier, more fulfilling existence. From decluttering our physical and mental spaces to reevaluating our priorities and values, we look at the tangible steps we can take to start living the life we truly want. Before we dive in, I want to acknowledge that simplifying your life can be a daunting task. It requires us to confront our deepest fears, let go of our attachment to material possessions, and challenge the status quo. But I promise you, the payoff is worth it. Let's get started on this journey together. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify your life and find true happiness in 2025. Are you ready to let go of the unnecessary and focus on what truly adds value to your life? Because I am. Let's do this. One of the most significant benefits of simplifying our life is that it allows us to focus on what truly matters. When we are not bogged down by clutter, debt, and unnecessary commitments, we are free to pursue our passions and interests with clarity and purpose. Did you know that the average American spends around 40 hours per week on their phone? That is equivalent to a part-time job. By simplifying our digital lives, we can reclaim that time and use it to build meaningful connections, learn new skills, or simply enjoy the present moment. In fact, research has shown that people who live simply tend to be happier, healthier, and more resilient. They are less likely to experience anxiety and depression and more likely to feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Before we move forward, if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We share tips and insights on living intentionally and finding true happiness. Plus, you won't want to miss the upcoming videos we have lined up for 2025. I like to share a personal story that illustrates the power of simplification. A few years ago, I found myself stuck in a rut, feeling overwhelmed and unfulfilled. I made the decision to simplify my life, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made. By letting go of the unnecessary, I was able to focus on my passion and pursue my dreams with clarity and purpose. Simplifying our life is not about deprivation or sacrifice. It's about living intentionally and align our actions with our values. It's about creating space for what truly adds value to our lives and letting go of the rest. So, how can you start simplifying your life today? Here is a simple exercise to get you started. Take out a piece of paper and write down the 3 things that are most important to you. Then ask yourself, are my daily actions aligned with these values? If not, what changes can I make to bring my life into alignment? Another powerful way to simplify your life is to adopt a one in and one out policy. Whenever you acquire something new, get rid of something old. This can apply to physical possessions, commitments, and even relationships. By adopting this mindset, you ensure that you are not accumulating unnecessary clutter and drama in your life. Start small. Begin with one area of your life that feels overwhelming and simplify them. Declutter your closet and cancel that subscription you never use, or commit to just one social media platform. As you start to feel the benefits of simplification, you can expand to other areas of your life. Remember, simplifying your life is not a one-time event. It's a journey. It requires patience, discipline, and self-awareness. But the payoff is worth it. By simplifying your life, you'll find a sense of peace, freedom, and fulfillment that you never thought possible. Let me share a powerful story that illustrates that transformation possible through simplification. I recently spoke with a friend who had been feeling stuck and overwhelmed, just like I had a few years ago. She made the decision to simplify her life, and it changed everything. She began by decluttering her physical space, then moved on to simplifying her digital life. She canceled commitments that no longer served her and started saying yes to the things that truly brought her joy. The result, she's now living a life that truly reflects her values and priorities. She's happier, healthier, and more fulfilled than ever before. As we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a challenge. Take the next 30 days to simplify one area of your life. It can be as simple as decluttering your closet or committing to a daily morning routine. See how you feel after 30 days and then decide what's next. Before I sign off, I want to thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of simplicity and happiness. I love to hear from you in the comments below. What's one area of your life that you're likely to simplify? And how do you plan to start making changes today? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on living intentionally and finding true happiness. I'm Richard, and this is Ultima.